In Medina, so elections were coming, if I say it in this modern language. And they decided, Banu Qinqa, Khadrad, Banu Nazir, Aus, and everyone, and so many other tribes like Bani Abdul Hashal and Bani Zafar and Bani, Ruwaid and so on. They were ready to accept Abdullah ibn Ubay ibn Sulul as the president of Medina. And everything was just ready. That Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam migrated there. So everything was dismissed for Abdullah bin Ubay bin Sulul. He said that, okay, why not to go into opposition? Okay, and why not to go a little bit closer? So they came in the orbit of Islam, but not with sincerity. So he remained there until Uhud. And then he separated 300 of munafiqeen and got on way. So Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam assembled, brought together Yahud, Bani Qurayza, Banu Qinqa, Banu Nazir, Abdullah Shal, Bani Farad, Bani Zafar, and Bani Ruwaid, and all other tribes together. How can you bring them together? To make them change their faith? No, because this is a large circle where as a human you can enter there. And then who will deny that we need to make sure the peace of Medina? And then the treaty of muwakhat took place. So muwakhat for brotherhood of Makkah and Medina together, Muhajirin and Ansar. And Meesaq-e-Madina took place for each and everybody there. And then Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam centralized them. And this was the first stone that Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam laid in Masjid-e-Quba. What was Masjid-e-Quba? That I am here to centralize you. Hear one thing, brothers. We are not here because we have same passport. We are not here because we are of same mother. We are not here because we are of same country. What brought us together here? What is that connection? What is that rope? Of course, that's Islam. So don't you think this is the nukta? As a Muslim, wherever you go, so you should not divide people, but bring them together.